Looking for the ultimate riding lawnmower in 2025? Whether you're tackling acres or just want a smoother ride, we've tested the top models to find the best. Stick around, your perfect mower could be just a few minutes away. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Cub Cadet Enduro XT1 Riding Lawnmower. This is a top choice for anyone needing a reliable, powerful lawn tractor. It features a 46-inch cutting deck, making it well-suited for lawns up to 2 acres. Despite its size, it offers a 16-inch turning radius, allowing you to maneuver around trees and landscaping with ease. Powered by a 23-horsepower gas engine, the XT1 keeps its blades spinning with plenty of force, even through thicker grass. The hydrostatic transmission allows smooth speed adjustments, and cruise control adds comfort on longer stretches. The cutting deck offers 12 height settings, letting you fine-tune your lawn's appearance. A standout feature is the deck clean-out port. Simply connect a garden hose, lower the deck, start the mower and blades, and water will help wash away stuck grass clippings. Overall, it's a strong, user-friendly machine. Number 2. Troy-Bilt 30-inch 10.5 horsepower riding lawn mower. If you want a budget-friendly riding mower for lawns up to 1 acre, the Troy-Bilt TB30B is a great option. It features a 10.5 horsepower engine and a 30-inch cutting deck that comes with a mulch kit, offering decent power and versatility for smaller yards. Despite its compact size, it has a tight 18-inch turning radius, allowing for easy navigation around landscaping and tight corners. The TB30B also features larger rear wheels than most rear-engine mowers, which helps it handle uneven terrain and soft ground better than expected. Its manual transmission keeps costs down, and while it may take a little practice, it's easy enough to master for most users. At just 30 inches wide and 5 feet long, this mower fits through narrow gates and stores easily in a garage or shed. Number 3. EcoPower T6 Riding Lawnmower. After a year of testing the Ego T6 56-volt battery-powered lawn tractor on a half-acre lot, we found it to be a strong performer. Though its body panels are plastic, the mower feels solid and well-built. The padded seat adds comfort on uneven terrain, and the quiet operation is a big perk. It's far quieter than any gas mower, drawing compliments from neighbors.
Cut quality is excellent.
And the T6 includes 3 blade speeds and 3 drive modes. Even in higher drive settings, it's easy to control at low speeds, which is helpful for tight maneuvers like backing into a shed. Ego rates it for up to 1.5 acres per charge with 6 amp-hour batteries. In real-world use, we've seen 65 to 70% battery drain on our half-acre, meaning about 1 acre of runtime at medium settings. Number 4. Craftsman T2200K Hydrostatic Turntight Riding Lawnmower. It offers an excellent mix of cutting power and agility. With its 42-inch deck, it's well-suited for lawns up to 1.5 acres. What really sets it apart is its incredibly tight 5-inch turning radius, rare for a lawn tractor, making it ideal for properties with lots of landscaping or narrow paths. Powered by a 20-horsepower Kohler engine, it handles both the drive and cutting deck with ease. The hydrostatic transmission ensures smooth acceleration, and the deck offers 12 height settings, giving you full control over your cut. Added comforts include a cushioned high-back seat and soft-touch steering wheel, making longer sessions more bearable. A brush guard protects the front end. Altogether, the T2200K is a nimble, capable, and comfortable mower that suits a variety of yard types. Number 5. Ego Z6 4204 Zero-Turn Riding Lawnmower. This is a standout in the zero-turn mower category, offering electric convenience with performance rivaling a 22-horsepower gas engine. Its twin-blade, 42-inch deck delivers excellent cut quality, and it handles smoothly using lap bars, ideal for homeowners who want precision without the hassle of gas, oil changes, or engine maintenance. It comes with 4 10-amp-hour batteries expandable to 6, all compatible with other Ego tools. That means you can mow your lawn and then swap a battery into your string trimmer or blower, making the Z6 part of a broader tool ecosystem. The LCD display keeps you informed with blade and ground speed settings, drive modes, and battery life. If you prefer a traditional feel, the Z6E steer variant swaps the lap bars for a steering wheel with the same core features. So, which riding mower takes the crown? It's the Ego Z6 42040 turn. Powerful, eco-friendly, and packed with cutting-edge features. It's the future of lawn care today. Ready to ride smarter?